Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to use the subscribe button down there and also click on the bell to get notified of all the future videos. Taking a look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Design. This one is 1/48th and it's all about the bird dog. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we get inside the bag. So I'll start off with a single instruction sheet. So this is Iliad Design 1/48th. It's for Cessna L-19's O-1 bird dogs, and it'll work with any kit you've got as long as it's 1/48th scale. So obviously there's 6 different options in here, all a bit unusual. I like the fact there's all these little, they always put on little notes about things to watch out for to make sure that your basically your painting scheme as well as the decals are exactly as they should be. Like here, all pops are blacky with yellow tips, added antenna, homing antenna. This one is Kansas Army National Guard 1968. This next one down, Pakistani Army's 11th Army Aviation Squadron. Notice things like no homing antennas, orientation of fin flash is, should we say, not the norm. Whip antennas, a strangely painted anti-glare panel on the front there. Next one, this one is one of 4 used by South Korean Navy in the early 60s. Again, no homing antennas. That'll be quite a rare one. An O-1A of the US Army Reserve. Overall clean, gloss, olive drab. More homing antennas, whip aerials. Strange one here. L-19 of the 203rd Recon Airplane Company, NK in South Vietnam 1968, with VHF antenna on the back, a loop antenna housing on the back there, little antennas and some extra lumps and bumps on that one, and a really colourful one, an L-19 operated by the Hoan-Tai, which were the predecessor of Japan's self-defense forces. So this is 1952 to 54. As you can see, it's yellow, very yellow, with a pink cherry blossom. That was the insignia, so that will certainly look neat. And then over the top, over the side, basically top and bottom views sort of put into one. See the faded ones are on the underside of the wings, so they can sort of get everything done in one with one image. So there's the 6 again, 751's below the wings, as you can see there. Interesting Hawk markings on the tops of the wings, and high vis white areas on the control surfaces. So those look pretty neat. Let's look here, there's the decals. Just getting the light right on these. You can see the backing film is really tight around everything, except obviously the text, where it's keeping the text in line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different options. All look quite nice. Decals nicely coloured. Everything's lined up. So up to their usual standards. Well, this is sheet 48035, the 35th 1/48 scale sheet. So all in all, it's a pretty neat decal sheet for the bird dog. I'll put a link underneath the video to take you straight to their website where you can buy them. They're pretty reasonably priced as well, actually, and they're the same price. You can buy them direct from the manufacturer at usually exactly the same prices as they sell them everywhere else, and that's usually the best place to get them from. So, well, pretty neat. 6 different options for 1/48th bird dog. Some colourful ones in there, and some unusual ones. as always. So pretty neat. So many thanks to Iliad Decals for sending it along for us to have a look at.